Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to connect your Key Light Neo from Elgato with an Android phone. Okay, so on your Android phone you should go to search in the Play Store. You should open the Play Store, go to search and search for Elgato Control Center. Once you've found it, install it. It will not take long, and after it's installed, you'll simply be able to, open the app. So let's see if it's already there. Yes, it is. I can open it. And it'll start searching for my device. I need to give location permission. So let's click on while using the app. Then if it says found new accessories, click on yes. Select the Key Light Neo, click on connect. Allow Wi-Fi networks. Select wireless settings or settings. Whatever, click on the Elgato Key Light, then select the network you want to connect it to. Sometimes it may not work with 5 GHz networks, but I think it should, so let's try that. Then enter the Wi-Fi password so it can be sent to your Elgato Key Light. For some reason it wants to open the app again. Okay, and let's now wait. It has flashed, which I think means that it's connected, but I never really know until it actually says connected here. If it was not connected, you should go to settings, and in settings simply go to Wi-Fi and select the Elgato network. Or try closing the Elgato app and reopening it. It sometimes has some problems with it, so just need to have that in mind. So you need to be connected to the network the light is connected to. And yes, now it works. But if it wasn't connected, then in the Wi-Fi settings I should select the Elgato network and go back to the app. Then it should connect itself. I can turn it on, turn it off through the app. I can also adjust the warmth and the brightness. And this is basically it. I hope that video was helpful. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.